Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share TikTok's popular baked feta pasta in the air fryer. It is perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal that is ready in under 15 to 20 minutes. Made with just a handful of ingredients, this baked feta pasta is so creamy and flavorful. Make it once, trust me, you will keep making it over and over again. I have also shared the Instant Pot version for this feta pasta on my channel. Check the link in the description box below or check the playlist at the end. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make baked feta pasta in the air fryer. Check out the ingredients. Check the description box below for the written recipe. We need 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of capsicum. I have taken mixed colors. You can take however you want. 3 medium-sized chopped mushrooms, 1 feta cheese block, 1 handful of spinach, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of parsley and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can add in some garlic cloves as well. First, preheat the air fryer for 390 Fahrenheit for a couple of minutes. Mine preheats itself, so I'm just selecting the time for 15 minutes. The cooking time might vary according to your air fryer. It's usually done in 12 to 15 minutes. To the oven-safe tray or a bowl, add in tomatoes, bell pepper, mushrooms, feta cheese block, parsley, salt, pepper, chili flakes and olive oil. You can add any veggies of your choice. Even you can add a chicken breast. Once the preheating is done, bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. If you are using an oven model, keep it in the middle rack. By this time, let's cook the pasta. You can cook the pasta on the stove top or in an Instant Pot. I'm gonna use my Instant Pot today. To cook pasta, we need 2 cups of pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. 2 cups of water or broth, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter, and half a cup of cheese of your choice. This is optional. Let's cook the pasta in the Instant Pot. To the Instant Pot, add in pasta, broth or water, salt and oil. Make sure that pasta is all under the water. Close the lid. Make sure that the vent is on ceiling. Pressure cook on high for 4 minutes. Once the Instant Pot is done cooking, after 3 to 4 minutes, do a quick release. Remove the lid carefully. The pasta is cooked perfectly. If there is any excess liquid, drain it and save it for later use. The veggies are done cooking. It's perfectly baked. I like slightly roasted cheese. If you want, just adjust the time as per your need. Mash the cheese and give it a mix. Add in spinach and cooked pasta and combine it well. If you want a little creamier pasta, you can add a little bit of reserved water. My kids wants to add some shredded cheese, so I'm adding it. It's completely optional. If you want, you can, or else no need it. I'll just broil it for a minute. Enjoy it hot. Wow guys, it's worth the hype and do try it. You will love it. You can store your leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days in the fridge. If you would like, you can serve with bread or salad. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.